Hello friends, welcome to my another video. I don't have any idea in spoken English, so I will try my best and do I can do um, I can do everything I know. Mm, so today is I learn prepositions of time. So prepositions time. Today I learn and I practice to today this and like uh, I will eat at 10 p.m. I will eat at 10 p.m. That's it. Okay. This In this sentence, preposition is at. Another example is um, mm, yes. I uh, I will I will sleep at 10 p.m. This is in this sentence preposition is at. Okay. I Then another sentence is uh, she will call on 3rd May. She will call on 3rd May. In this sentence, the preposition is on. Okay. Then another sentence is her birthday is in February. In this sentence, the preposition is in. Okay. And then today, tomorrow, yesterday is don't use the preposition. There is no need. Okay. For example, I will meet you tomorrow. That's type of use. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Comment me and suggest me any kind of so you can suggest me. I can uh, I can develop myself. Thank you so much.